Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Applewares. Did you guys ever just had your sleep mode turn on automatically and you just don't know how to turn it off? Well, this is how you can do it. It's quite a simple process. So all you have to do is simply scroll down through your control panel and then you can see the option of sleep right here. All you have to do is simply tap on it and turn it off just like this. Sometimes a sleep mode can automatically be turned on if you have set up it like that. If you want to turn that off, you can now go to the settings of sleep. So tap on focus, and here you can tap on the three dot bar of sleep and then tap on settings. So after doing that, we're on the settings of our sleep focus mode. And now scroll down a bit and you can see the schedule right here. So right now here you can see I have set up schedule for it. This is the reason my sleep mode gets turned on. So if you want to turn it off, you'll have to tap on next schedule just like this and then turn off this schedule option by tapping on toggle button. After doing that, now your sleep mode won't be turned on automatically, and like that, you will be able to turn it off. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.